Orlando here, and let me talk about what I'm looking for on the US dollar and the S&P 500 for next week, right? So bear with me. I'm going to start with the USD. Right, as you remember, I was looking for further downside on the US dollar after the DXY broke with the 102.50 level, right? This big level right here. So my next key level is the 101. The 101 level, this pivotal level in historic price action. This is where we saw new buyers jump in to bring price up about, if I'm not mistaken, from the lows to the highs about 5%. The entire move from January lows is 17%. So this decline from the highs above the 105 is exactly to Friday's lows, only 3.35%, right? The DXY is trading in the middle of nowhere after the break of this bearish flag. At the retest of the previous broken lows, I am expecting further downside towards that 101 level. I don't think I'm going to try to sell the US dollars or go short on the USD. What I'm going to do, I'm going to wait for the 101 level to hit and see if we get some kind of rejection here to start building longs for the next leg. Now, if the 101 level fails, so if the 101 level fails, the next level I am looking for is the 99.40, which is March highs. This is a much stronger level than the 101, so I will be careful with starting to build up longs here. That's the USD for me. Now I want to talk about the S&P 500. The reason I want to talk about the S&P 500 is because I do believe that we are on our way for the next leg up. Now, volume-wise, we have seen spikes in volume on the daily chart since the beginning of February, right? And also spikes in short position, which means that possibly retail traders are trapped in short positions at the very low of the move. This is a massive level, pivotal level on the S&P 500 historically. Now, if we go to the 4-hour chart, you can see that not only we have broken with the midterm bearish structure, but we have broken with a massive level right here. This is February lows, March lows, and April lows. That is the level that I was looking for a break. So my plan here, guys, is just to wait and see how futures open on Sunday and wait for that pullback towards this level to build up a long position for a retest of the 4550 to 4600 level, which are February highs, March highs, and April highs. So this is my next massive key zone or key level on the S&P 500, and if this plays out, it's pretty possible that we're going to get a thick selling pressure here, and that means that possibly a deep pullback before a possible break above. So those are the two markets that I'm looking for, or that I have on my watch list for this week.